Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your online security with Norton, detailed guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your online security with Norton, start by visiting the official Norton website. Navigate to the products section to explore available security options. Choose the Norton product that best fits your needs. Click on the product for more details and features. Once you've made your selection, click on the Buy Now button. Follow the on-screen prompts to create a Norton account if you don't have one. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. After logging in, enter your payment information to complete your purchase. Once your purchase is confirmed, you will receive a download link via email. Click the link to download the Norton installation file. Locate the downloaded file and double-click it to start the installation process. Follow the installation wizard instructions carefully. Accept the license agreement to proceed with the installation. Choose your preferred installation options, then click Install. Wait for the installation to complete, which may take a few minutes. Once installed, open the Norton application. Sign in with your Norton account to activate your subscription. Run the initial scan to check for any existing threats on your device. Review the scan results and follow any recommended actions to secure your device. Regularly update Norton to ensure you have the latest security features. Explore additional features such as VPN, password manager, and cloud backup for enhanced protection. Make sure to configure your settings according to your personal security preferences. Consider setting up automatic scans to keep your system regularly checked. Always stay informed about new security threats through Norton's notifications and updates. By following these steps, you can effectively upgrade your online security with Norton. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.